Wow!
Open it up.
Hi, today I'm going to open this book. Today I'm going to open this book. I get it. You need a Caesar.
Okay. Wow. Let's open it up. Wow, what's in that, baby?
A book.
Yeah, how many books? Let's count them.
We need a Caesar.
Oh, we still need a Caesar? Come here.
No, I need it. Or no need it. Wow!
Open it up. Okay, so what are the books? First, we have the
lullaby.
the lullaby.
Uh,
Good night, baby.
baby.
Yeah. Wait,
Lullaby.
what's this?
Chameleon.
Chameleon, the chameleons. Okay, next, this is the. Sit down, sweetie. The wolf and the fox. Yeah, this is. What is it? P. King. Apples. Apples. Picking apples. Next. D. Her. Dinner. Next dinner. Party. Yeah, dinner party. Next. Hide. And seek. Okay, next. Finding a friend. Finding a friend. Next. Visiting grandma. And the last one is Bunny and Mommy. Wow, look at that. I like the cover. It's thick. Good quality, guys. And it's glossy. It's a glossy material. I love it. So it's from SHOPEE. It's only worth $132, including the shipment fee. So I bought this during flash sale. So nice. The letters are big enough. There you go. And the material is also thick, guys. So mahulog na like so 10, 100. So mahulog na tag 10 pesos na yung kada isa book. I love it. Super sulit, guys. Mas malaki siya. Malaki yung book. Oh, there's another one. I forgot. I'm tired. And there's an audio book.
I want to read
We
that.
just scan this QR code so that we can go to the audiobook. Wow, this is very nice books, Yammy.
I want to
Let's try to read. What do you want to read?
Finding a Friend.
Finding a friend. Okay. Oh, what happened to the mouse?
He's crying.
She's crying. It's a girl. Look at her clothes. Oh. It's a girl's clothes. She's crying. Why is she crying? Let's see.
Because there's no friend.
Oh, she's lonely. Okay, let's read. The little mouse wanted to find a friend to play with. Oh, so what is she doing?
Looking with a telescope.
Yeah,
Or
that's
a
correct.
telescope.
Yeah, so she's looking for.
A telescope.
She's looking into the telescope to look for a friend. Okay, next. The little mouse found a boy made of paper, but he couldn't play. What did he find? What did she find? A boy made of.
Paper.
Can he play?
No,
Why?
because it's made of paper.
it cannot move, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. The little mouse found a little bird, but he flew away. Oh, can she play with the bird? Why?
Or because he's flying away.
Yeah.
And the boy too.
Next. The little mouse found a little frog, but he could only make noises. Huh? Can the little frog play with the mouse?
No.
Why?
The mouse saw a Squirtle.
Okay, next. The little mouse found a turtle,
Turtle.
but he moved too
Too
slowly.
slowly.
Can the turtle play?
No.
Why?
Because Squirtle can move too slowly.
Okay, next. The little mouse found a cat,
Found a cat.
but he was too scary. And can she play with the cat?
No.
Why?
Because it's too scary.
Yeah, it wants to eat the mouse. Just kidding. So the little mouse was what?
So sad.
Sad. Can you read this?
It
It
it's
oh. What letters are there? It was
had
hard
to
find.
a friend.
Yeah, the little mouse was sad. It was hard to find a friend. At last, another mouse came along. Now the little mouse had
a friend.
Yes. The mouse happy now?
Yeah.
The end.
Yeah.
Do you like the story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finding
So
a friend.
who was her friend now?
The girl mouse.
The girl mouse.
Now I want to read hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
So I want to read. I am tired.
I am tired. Sit down on the green chair. Your niece will get hurt. Put the chair here.
Put a chair.
Come here. Move. Near mommy.
Okay, I'll go there.
Okay. I'm tired.
Okay.
Oh, what's this? A duck. Okay.
Another duck.
The chick and the duckling went to the wood to play.
To play.
Where are they going?
To the wood to play.
To play. They had lots of fun in the wood.
In the wood.
The chick and the duckling were both tired. I'm too tired to move anymore, said the duckling.
The duckling.
Let's call my dad to carry us home, said the chick. Huh? Oh, they're tired na. So they want to call what?
His dad.
His dad. When Grandpa's son heard this, he sent a big dark cloud. What did Grandpa's son do? He sent a big dark cloud. Peter Pat, Peter Pat.
Peter Pan.
It began to rain heavily. The chick and the duckling quickly ran back home. Oh, what happened now? How's the weather?
Rainy days.
Rainy day. Oh dear. Ha ha ha. We didn't need Dad to carry us. We got home by ourselves. So at first, they want their dad to get them so that they can go home. But the sun sent rain, so they went home by themselves. They run. Okay, the end. That's all. What do we say? Thank you for
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.